Here we are. It is February 2011. We're in the middle of a huge snowstorm. Look at all of the snow. Oh my goodness. So this is the floor and the snow goes all the way up here. So that is so much snow. And maybe you can see through the window how the snow is falling non-stop. Now here's Mary. Mary, say hi to the camera. Say hi.
Hi.
Say it's a snowstorm.
It's a snowstorm.
It sure is. It sure is a snowstorm. Now look, Mary, stand next to the snow so we can see a dónde te llega la nieve. Stand on the floor. Oh, actually, she's standing on this toy, and even with that step, the snow is at her shoulder. Can you see that? How the snow makes it all the way to her shoulder. It starts from the ground all the way up to her shoulder.
Whoa!
Whoa! There's no way. This is the window. There's no way anybody's getting out today. There's not a single car on the street, as you can see. You can't even tell where the house ends and the street starts. So this here is the driveway. You can see how we have no idea where the driveway ends.
Mama, who are you talking to?
To grandma. Y los arbustos están escondidos. And this is Charlie. Charlie wants to say hi. I'm in a snowstorm.
Oh, no!
Charlie, do you want to say hi?
No.
No. Okay, Mary, say hi.
Hi.
Good job. Charlie, do you want to say hi? Say, I'm in a snowstorm.
Where's my red ball?
Okay. Well, we hope you have enjoyed the show of the snowstorm. You can see the snow, how high it makes. And you can see how it's falling. And we're so lucky because Daddy stayed home from work today. Here he is. Say, hi, I'm in a snowstorm.
Hi, I'm in the snowstorm.
Okay. Mary, give Daddy a hug so that we can show Daddy giving you a hug. There we go. There's Daddy with his princess. Okay, well here we are signing off, everybody. Here's the snow.
I love you.
You're lucky that you're not in this. Bye-bye.